welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leftery, and if you are new here, welcome, and thank you for tuning in. And if you already been here, girl, welcome back, sis. And we back with another video. So today we are doing tape-ins with an add-on of an express blowout keratin treatment. So this is my second time doing tape-ins and my first time doing a keratin treatment. I've been certified and did this in Cosmo school, but it's just my first time doing it on a live person. So right now, as y'all can see, I'm applying the keratin treatment onto my client's hair. What we did is I clarified her shampoo with Keratin Complex clarifying shampoo, I believe 3 times to get everything out. So with keratin treatments, you want to make sure the hair is squeaky clean and has no products in it, so the product could be effective and stuff. So right now I'm just applying the keratin treatment, and y'all, as soon as I put that treatment on my client's hair, it's soft, so soft. I don't know what it is, but as soon, I know it looks rough and it looks like I'm yanking her hair, but as soon as I put that product in, her hair is so soft. The product just glides right through her hair strands. So you guys could just watch me apply this product, and I will see you guys when I blow dry. Okay, now that I have finished distributing the product all throughout her hair, I believe I let the product sit for about 30 minutes, and then I went ahead and blow dry it. With keratin treatments, you do not rinse out the product. It should have had already soaked up into the hair. So now I parted her hair in about 9 or 6 section totals and just blow dried her hair. Y'all, oh my goodness, if you have a hard time blow drying your hair and it's such a hassle, definitely get a keratin treatment, because y'all, this blow dry took me probably 10 minutes or less. It was so quick and easy. So after blow drying, now this is the part that I do not like with the keratin treatment. You have to do multiple passes to really seal in that keratin. So right now I will be doing about 3 to 4 passes on each section that I do. So I bump the top 4 times, and then I'll do the ends, the mids to the ends about 4 times as well, so I could evenly distribute and have an even pass with the hair. So you guys could just watch me flat iron her hair. as y'all can see, look at that shine from the keratin treatment. Like, oh my gosh, the hair is so soft, so silky. It's just, I don't know, I just love it. So now that I'm done straightening her hair, I go in and trim her ends. You know, we want the hair to be as healthy as possible for the tape ends. Her split ends weren't too bad, to be honest with you, so we didn't really cut off too much. Okay, now that we have all the natural hair care stuff done, I went ahead and parted the perimeter of her hair. And now, since her hair is not that thick, I took off like a lot of hair around the perimeter just so the tape ends do not show. So now I'm going ahead and putting the tape ends on. I like to put the tape ends down from the top instead of the bottom, just so I could allow the tape to take out as much hair that's needed for the tape, and then I will go ahead and sandwich the tape ends together from the bottom. Y'all bear with me, this is literally my second time doing tape ends. I took a Bellamy class, I believe back in September or October. No, I lied, I think I did it in like August. So I haven't really been promoting it because y'all, I'm so scared to like try new things, and the problem with me is I need everything to be perfect. So just bear with me, y'all. But so far my clients been loving their tape ins, so that's good. While I do the tape ins, I like to straighten out their hair just so it the service could go by quicker on my end. I don't really like spending too much time on one client, so I try to make my process easier and quick. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do tape ins, and I will see you guys when I'm almost done. Alright, you guys, so I'm on my last taping. I didn't even tell you guys the hair info. So with my tape-ins, I provide the hair, so it's all a package. So today we're using tape-ins from my hair collection, creaniquehair.com. We are using the Kinky straight texture, match perfectly with her, and I believe we did 16 inches. I know this looked like way more than 16 inches, but y'all, this is 16 inches, okay? Period. I believe I used 2 bundles and some change. She purchased 3 bundles in total, but we ended up, I think we had like 2 like stacks of bundles left. But this is the finished product, you guys. It is so cute. She loved it, y'all. She loved it. So I did different styles. So we put it up in a bun, a ponytail, and she wanted it curl, but I was limited on time, so we just did a middle part straight, and it came out so cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.